Hello, in front of me I've got The Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to find Atronach Altar. In the beginning, let's go to this tower. You can see the tower clearly from Bruma city. Climb up to the tower. The best way is by going here, up this mountain, and here to the tower. Find this chest next to the camp to the tower, because in this chest you can find the key to the tower. Now let's enter the tower. Take the book located on this arm, and this door will open. Go to the back of the room and use Atronach Altar. Now you can summon Storm, Frost or Flame Atronach. Each summoning request holds. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, subscribe.